Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Vechain, VET could hit $0.084 in 2022. Vechain's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem VET at $0.025 in 2022. Vechain's past all-time high was on 19 April 2021, where VET was valued at 28 cents. Vechain's cost simultaneously last week was $0.027. It has moved by 17,748% in the previous week and is presently at $0.032. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, VET is siphoned by 0.88%. There is a slight negative feeling in the crypto market. The drawn-out opinion, notwithstanding, stays bullish and VET could hit 17 cents in 2023. The complete flowing inventory of Vechain as of compassing this video was $72,511,146,418, and the market cap of VET stays at $2,313,262,840 Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically zero relevant pieces of information and inexistent verifiable information, the model of course will show a positive cost expectation. It is absolutely impossible for our AI bot to unravel white paper, tokenomics and group respectability. The coin's value that you are going to see underneath can fall definitely contingent upon many elements, so if it's not too much trouble, contribute astutely in the wake of actually looking at the group and ventures white paper. This ongoing value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should stringently not be taken as a venture counsel. Albeit the best designers are as of now tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has checked the cost anticipated underneath, so kindly utilize your tact and pursue a choice shrewdly. Our Vechain cost forecast model considers a great deal of data of interest and factors to give the estimated worth of VET before very long to come. No calculation, in any case, can be 100% precise, however we endeavor to present to you the most reliable cost expectation by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses remember Vechain's for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past verifiable information. Vechain's absolute exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past authentic information. Vechain's social feeling for August 2022 and past authentic information. Vechain's impending guide and developer action for August 2022 and past authentic information. Vechain's enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Vechain's cost developments in light of different exchanging pointers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. Vechain price prediction. Vechain has had an astounding 2021. To improve on the most recent VET cost expectation, we have split the forecast by transient Vechain cost forecast and long-haul Vechain cost forecast. As of compassing this video, VET had an exchanging volume of $114,317,809. Vechain has increased 33,444% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Vechain cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of VET at $0.064 and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $0.069. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, Vechain cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of VET at 14 cents. And the most elevated conceivable cost for February 2023 would be 15 cents. Vechain cost expectation 12 August 2022. Vechain's cost for 12 August 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $0.031 to $0.036 and the typical cost of VET ought to be around $0.033. Vechain cost expectation 17 August 2022. Vechain's cost for 17 August 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $0.035 to $0.041 and the typical cost of VET ought to be around $0.038. Vechain cost expectation 22 August 2022. Vechain's cost for 22 August 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between 4 cents to $0.046 and the typical cost of VET ought to be around $0.043. Vechain cost expectation 1 September 2022. Vechain's cost for 1 September 2022 as per our investigation ought to run between 5 cents to $0.058 and the typical cost of VET ought to be around $0.054. Vechain cost expectation October 2022. Vechain's cost for October 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between $0.059 to $0.069 and the typical cost of VET ought to be around $0.064. Vechain cost expectation November 2022. Vechain's cost for November 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $0.062 to $0.071 and the typical cost of VET ought to be around $0.067. Vechain cost expectation December 2022. Vechain's cost for December 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to go between $0.065 to $0.074 and the typical cost of VET ought to be around 7 cents. Vechain's long-term price prediction. Vechain's drawn-out price prediction beneath is a gander at VET's future possibility with respect to cost. Vechain was most recently seen at $0.032, with a market cap of $2,313,262,841 and exchanging volumes of $114,317,809. VET's value forecast is conceivable by breaking down authentic cost activity, current turns of events and social opinion from the local area. Vechain cost expectation 2022. Vechain's cost for 2022 as per our investigation ought to run between $0.056 to $0.084 and the typical cost of VET ought to be around 7 cents. Vechain cost expectation 2023. Vechain's cost for 2023 as indicated by our investigation ought to run between 11 cents to 17 cents and the typical cost of VET ought to be around 14 cents. Vechain cost expectation 2024. Vechain's cost for 2024 as per our examination ought to run between 14 cents to 20